Today, we're exploring advanced non-finite verb structures, being plus V3 and having plus V3. These structures are crucial for academic writing, formal speech, and storytelling, allowing you to express cause, time, reason, condition, and sequence compactly. First, let's master being plus verb third form, also known as the passive participle. The structure is simple, being plus the past participle, or V3, as in being invited, being told, or being arrested. This form is used when the subject receives an action passively, either at the same time as another action or as its reason. One main use is to show state or condition with a passive meaning. For example, being tired, I went to bed early means because I was tired. Another use is to replace as since or because with a passive clause. Being invited to the event, I decided to attend is a compact way of saying because I was invited, I decided to attend. This structure is also used after prepositions in C2 writing style, offering a formal replacement for phrases like after he was or when he was. In academic or news writing, being caught cheating, the student was expelled sounds objective, replacing a passive reason clause. Finally, it's used in reduced relative clauses, like the man being interviewed is the prime minister, which compresses the man who is being interviewed. A C2 trick, being makes a clause sound formal, objective, or compressed. Compare, because he was insulted, he left, with the more elegant being insulted, he left. Now let's move to having plus verb third form, the perfect participle. Its structure is having plus the past participle, or V3, as in having finished, having eaten, or having been told. This form shows that one action happened before another, expressing a completed action with a time gap or cause. One key use is to show a sequence of events. Having finished his work, he went home clearly indicates the work was completed before he left. It can also show cause or reason. Having studied the report, she knew what to do is a compressed causal clause, meaning because she had studied the report. This structure is also used to show experience or background. Having lived in London, she speaks fluent English, implies her experience is the reason for her fluency. In formal writing, it replaces after or because. Having completed the experiment, the scientists recorded the results is common in academic research. The passive version is having been plus V3. Having been warned, they avoided the area means after being warned, but more formally. A C2 trick. Having plus V3 conveys a perfect meaning, indicating an action completed before another event, while being plus V3 signifies a passive meaning, occurring while or because of being. Here's a quick comparison. Being plus V3 shows passive reason or state, like being ignored, she left. Having plus V3 indicates a completed action before another, such as having finished, he left. Let's look at some C2 level examples. Being promoted, he faced new responsibilities. Being located near the border, the town faces constant tension. Having worked abroad, she easily adapted to new cultures. Having been betrayed, he found it hard to trust again. Being seen with him ruined her reputation. Having completed his degree, he started a company. Being informed late, we couldn't prepare in time. Having been chosen, they felt honored. Being given a second chance, he changed his life. Having realized his mistake, he apologized immediately. Mastering these structures will significantly enhance your C2 level English proficiency.